What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be replacing this CTS turbo muffler delete. I'm gonna put it onto my car because this one, the turbo is not loud enough, so we need to make it louder. So I think I need to take the wheel off and the under, I can't remember the name of this, but you have to take this out and the wheel. So let's get into it. So we use this stud to help the wheel from falling off while we take the wheel off, and it's really nice. So yeah, let's keep on taking the wheels off. As you can see, it's right there. This is the tubing that goes to it, so I gotta take this whole under thing here out. So yeah. So now that we got that out of the way, here is the intake piping, or the piping that goes to the turbo muffler. And I will be right back once I have my creeper so I can show you guys. So now that I'm under here, I think you can see the turbo muffler right there. And so the first thing I'm going to do is take this out here, this little clip, so I can pull out the intercooler piping. Here is the one clip. This should, hopefully there's no oil. That should not have oil. Should just be a clean, no oil. Please, no oil. Ah, yes, no oil. Need to go and take this off here, and then I can go ahead and disconnect this pipe here. So I'm gonna fast forward you guys and take this pipe off. Alright, so I finally got this pipe out. Looks pretty flat. And now I need to take the turbo muffler out. So I think this pipe just comes out here. Pretty sure. Could be wrong. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get this one out, and then I can loosen those 3 Allen key bolts. Another pipe that goes there. And here, 1, 2 at the back here, and 3. I think that's 5mm Allens. Let me go get those. Alright, so I got those 5mm Allen bolts here. So. Okay. They're fairly loose, so that's nice. But I think I'm gonna have to get the actual Allen key itself. So yeah, let me get that. I'm pretty sure that these will fit there, and I'll be able to loosen them just like this with these. So I'm pretty sure this is a 5 Allen key. Yes, this is a 5mm. Seems like the actual housing has come loose now. So once I get this bolt out, the housing will come out, or the delete. I actually want to see what it looks like, because this one looks pretty restricting, and I want all the turbo noises I can get. Oh, there we go. Turn it this way and pull it out, or not, maybe, possibly. Alright, I'm gonna come back once this is out. Alright, so I eventually got the old turbo muffler out, and you can see the size difference is crazy. See, like the inside is massive. This one's got like, this is where it muffles the turbo, but this has just got a straight pipe in there. And you even see the diameter from here and there is way bigger. So I'm gonna go in. Another thing is actually that you have to, there's a little sensor that I have to unplug and take out, that there's an adapter that moves it up so that this doesn't interfere with it. So I have to install this too. So yeah, let's get into working on this one. That's the sensor over there. This one here, and that one's, I think, controls the boost. So I did not take the last bolt out here, but I can just I'll come back once the sensor is out. So this is a new pipe that they gave me, and this is supposed to go over the sensor, and because it relocates it, I have to get a shorter one so that I can move it out the way. So I'm gonna take these 2 clamps off on this one and put it onto that one. So let me grab my pliers and I can do that. So as you can see, I just clipped this one on there, and then this will make it shorter so I can adapt that other one on. Let me just flip this around. Now I gotta put that, before I clip it on, I gotta put that new adapter in. So here's the screws. and then the old screws just screw onto here. Alright, so we finally got the sensor in. Now I can do the most satisfying part, and that is clipping this in. Listen, wait, I don't know if you can listen, but yes. Everything is in finally. Yeah, that's connected up there. Everything's connected. So now I can put the new, oh, there's the O-ring. I might have to get a new O-ring. We'll have to see at the shop if we have one. But let's clean that up and then get the new turbo muffler on. So now I'm cleaning the little seal here, and I got some Vaseline. I'm going to put 3 dots, as my dad said, put 3, so just to keep it in place so that it doesn't move around. So I'm going to clean the turbo here, and then we're going to put the new turbo muffler in, and then yeah. Nicely on there with some Vaseline, so you get the new one and the new screws. I'm gonna come back once I tighten everything. Alright, so I got all of them tightened down, so now we can finally put the old tubing back. I will grab here. First I gotta put this one, if I can just reach it. This one back first. I'm just gonna clean this if I can find my towel. Okay, just give it a little clean. Just So I decided I'm going to put this cone filter on it, so I have to take this old air box out and this piece out, and then put the air filter right on there. So let's get into it. Here's a stock air box. We did cut it up at the bottom here just to get more air, but it wasn't enough. So because as it sits here, I mean, I think I need something to hold it up, so I'm gonna put a tie strap here, tie it around, and that should hold it up. That looks like it's holding it on pretty nicely. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a GoPro right here, somewhere in this area, and then I'm going to drive home, and then we can get some sounds from this new intake. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to do a little montage of what the new turbo muffler delete did. It was a pretty good install. I enjoyed it myself. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.